Hi everyone, welcome to the most low density Casa Vista condominium in Bangsar. This Casa Vista condominium is only 118 unit only for all block. 2 unit per floor, then we only have 17 level. Freehold title. Most unit is owner owned stay. Our neighbor is Chinese. For this particular unit, we are on low floor, but we on high hill. So from our window, we can see very nice KL city view. Facing northeast, the security over here is super tight. This is a corner unit. Fully furnished, renovated, 1,249 square feet, 3+1 bedroom and 3 bathroom. We have 1 allocated parking lot nearby the lift and is covered. Our living hall can see Bangsar city view and is unblocked view because in front of us all is landed property. There will be no development on futures. For this unit, our master room, we can see KL Tower and KLCC view, and also with greenery view even on KL City. Especially after raining, you will see mist surrounded the greenery. Our previously asking price is 1.05 million. Now, the owner willing to let it go on 960k, which we still can slightly negotiable. The video are the actual unit. If you are interested with the unit, kindly contact me as soon as possible or WhatsApp me so we can arrange to view the unit.